I figured since I already showed you how to set up your homepage and a blog, I figured I'd show you how to set up a contact page as well, because it's not tricky, but there's a few steps that you want to do. So a contact page, a good example of that would be this one right here. Now, this is a website that I created for another doctor, and this page is actually ranked #1, so pretty proud about that, because there are a lot of different chiropractors in the area where this person's at. But this contact page, let's see, it comprises having a location map, and then at the bottom, a area where you can actually submit either a question or something like that. And so in order to create a page, a contact page similar to this one, the first thing that you need to do is go to Appearance, and then go to Theme Options. Go ahead and scroll down here, and then go to Contact Form. Click on that. So the first thing that you need to do if you want to receive any kind of email is you need to put your email in there. If you want to do a reCAPTCHA, you can do that as well. Now, if you want the Google Map, what you need to do is you need to get a Google Maps API key. If you just follow this link, it'll talk you through it. If you need any help, just let me know. It's pretty straightforward, and you just put in the code right there as soon as you create it. You need to make sure that you put your address in here. There's several different options that you have right here as far as the roadmap, satellite, hybrid, terrain. You can change the look of it. You can also change as far as, here you can change the dimensions. And then you can actually change how far zoomed in the map is. So this one, it's zoomed out on the city of Greenville, just slightly. So you can change that option right there. And you can decide, all the rest of the options as well. And another cool thing is you can actually change the styling. So check these different stylings, and you can see what those look like. So once you've done all of that, what you need to do is you need to go to Pages, and you need to create a contact page. And so that's just a matter of, we're just going to name this, we'll just name it, bad contact. And then down here in page attributes, instead of default template, generally you'll just leave this alone. You're going to actually select contact. Okay, so on these options, even with the Fusion Builder, you won't actually see the map or the contact form anywhere on here, and you might be wondering where it's at. They just set it up so it automatically will populate. So whatever that you build your site out to, is you can put all the containers you want. But what's going to default to is the map will always be on top, and then this will always be on the bottom. And so when you build out that page, it's always going to be all this stuff here in between. So you can jam as much stuff as you want in between them, but the map and the contact form will be on the top and bottom. And that's essentially it. Go through the different options, build it out, and then you just hit publish, and that will create this contact page with all the information that maybe your followers or the people that are looking for your business need. Okay, that's it.